Hey, I'm Josh and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you today around my new KTM 125 Enduro R that I picked up on Monday this week from Judd Racing in Nottingham. Spent the last 3 days modifying it, as is my way, to make it a bit more like mine. So I'll take you through all of the things I've done to it. So I put some DoubleTake V2 adventure mirrors on, so they're more adjustable. I think they look better than the Mickey Mouse ears that it comes with as well, and yeah, they seem to be pretty good. They're rock solid, and yeah, hopefully if I do some trails I can fold them in. Next was the NiceCNC GPS mount, I guess. Comes with this little screen, my L plate of shame on there, and I've also got a Carpuride W603 CarPlay and Android Auto device. I 3D printed a amps mount for it, which thanks to whoever designed it and put it on Makerworld, but that printed really nicely. It just makes it a bit flusher, and I've sort of routed the cables nicely on there, so it's not really that obvious. Staying with the dash, put the KTM Power Parts heated grips. That was a really nice kit to install, pretty straightforward. And also the KTM Power Parts brake and clutch levers. They're a bit nicer than the stock non-adjustable versions on the 125. So going around the front, not a lot going on here apart from the screen. Removed the reflector and put a Rally Raid Products custom bolt in its place, and also I put some 3M reflective tape just to keep me safe. Not quite sure about the rim tape. Put that on just one side at the moment, just so I can get a feel for it, but I think it makes the wheels look bigger. So that is there. Don't think I've done anything to this side apart from obviously their Touratech saddlebag, which seems to fit quite nicely. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. So did a Pillion Peg Delete just using the OE plastic parts that you can get from your dealer, and also remove the rubbers from the standard foot pegs and put in this KTM Power Parts carbon fibre and stainless steel exhaust trim, which I think looks a lot better than the standard one, and a crash bung there as well with the rim tape. Around the back we've got a B&B Offroad tail tidy. Again, pretty straightforward to install, a little bit fiddly, quite a lot to take apart to get that fitted, but I think it looks loads better. I'm just waiting for a pressed metal plate to arrive to go with the pressed metal L plate that I've got for the back. Yeah, that's I think pretty much it for that. Oh, and there we go, a B&B Offroad foot peg extender, just makes it sit a bit better on rough ground. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for now. Seems like quite a lot to do in a few days, but I'm pretty pleased with how it's turned out now. So yeah, I just need to start riding it now. The bike's got the Quick Shifter Plus that I got installed, and yeah, waiting for the Barkbusters to come out with their specific product for the 392 Enduro R. Obviously the 125 is the same. Yeah, and I'm kind of don't really know what to do about the sump guard or skid plate, whether to go the Rally Raid or also B&B Offroad. So I'll see which ones when they're out, what the cost is, total cost. Yeah, there we go. That's the bike. Very pleased with it, and can't wait for some drier days so I can get out on it a bit more and go and do some adventures. I'm planning on doing some camping with it, hence getting the Touratech saddlebag. I've got quite a decent lightweight camping setup, so yeah, there we go. Right, thanks a lot, and like and subscribe, and look out for some more videos on this motorcycle adventure. All right, take care, bye bye.